In this video, I'm going to show you how to take two different photos in the BeReal app. So there's two questions you might have. The first one is if you can take more than one BeReal per day. And the other one is how to take two photos at the same time, meaning front camera and back camera. And in this video, I'm going to show you both these things. So first of all, I'm going to have to open the BeReal app. And then let me answer the question if you can take more than one BeReal per day. And that is not the case. So as you can see right here, I do have a BeReal posted already today. So if I want to post another one, I can delete my BeReal right here. And so I will have to choose a reason right here. And then I'm going to click on delete my BeReal. And then I can post another one, but it will be replaced obviously because I just deleted my other one. And so now I'm going to show you how to take them with the front and the back camera. So first of all, you can click this button right here and it will change the main camera that you're using. So this is the front camera and this is going to be the back camera now. And so now if I want to take a picture, I'll have to click on here and it'll automatically take a picture with the front camera and the back camera at the same time, like so. And so there we go. Now we've taken the photos and we can click on here to post our BeReal. We can choose who has access to it, my friends only or everyone. We can share our position and save it to the device, but I'm just going to click send right now and there we go. I hope this was helpful. If that's the case, please give this video a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again next time. Bye.